Hello there everyone, it's me, Lukrembo, back at you with another video. Haven't done one in a while, but today I'll be doing a build and review of the Cobi M3 motorgun carriage. You can just see that. That's what I'll be building today. So, first of all, let's get this box opened up. I just get this. Okay, so one thing I will say about Cobi sets is they are hard to open. Like I know there's a trick to opening them, like you go like that and then but that doesn't really work for Cobi sets. Oh, there we go. Here we are, and let's see what setbacks we get for this. Right. Might have to do it more down here-ish. Yeah, it's a better camera angle for you guys. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Guess that box will go with my Carriage Tiger box. Yep. Okay. Have the instructions, which obviously I'll be using, and then we have that. So, without further ado, I'm going to start a time lapse of me building this thing. So, yeah. So, just see you in a second. Alright then, so that is the Cobi, what's it called, M3 gun motor carriage done. The only bad part about this is that there's a missing piece on the gun barrel right there. It should be there. But well, what am I gonna do? Just pop that up. Yeah. So there we are. You also get the Cobi minifigure, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna give its helmet to like another minifig I use. I know that figure was out of focus, but who cares? You also get a couple of shells and a little nameplate. So basically that's gonna wrap this video up. Hope you did enjoy. Just so you know, this will be used in a battle of the bulge brick. So yeah, the tracks work decently on here, but I don't think it'd work that well on Lego, because I think it would be like the Cobi Sherman, in which they don't roll smooth on Lego, so I'll probably have to use like blue sack to make them roll smooth. So yeah, that's gonna do it as usual. So yeah, see you next time. Bye. Sorry for vertical video here, but this is post editing. Found that piece I was looking for. It's still in an opened bag. God damn it. You see, I looked in the bags though. Like, I'm gonna have to edit this into the video. God damn it.